Assalamu alaikum viewers. How are you? Today is my topic about 3 class general knowledge. Now I am going to tell you about 3 class general knowledge questions and answer. These questions are very important for your kids because these questions are related to class 3. So viewers, stay here and watch my full video. Now let's start our questions. Question number 1. Baby of kangaroo is called. Your answer is Joy. Question number 2. Which part of the brain is known as biggest one? Your answer is cerebrum. Question number 3. World Environment Day is celebrated on? Your answer is 5th June. Question number 4. What are the 2 holes in the nose are called? Your answer is nostrils. Question number 5. What is the full form of CPU? Your answer is Central Processing Unit. Question number 6. How many bytes are equal to 1 KB? Your answer is 1024 bytes. Question number 7. What is the most spoken language in the world? Your answer is Chinese language. Question number 8. For how many years dinosaurs been extinct? Your answer is 65 million ago. Question number 9. Which are the food of good source of protein? Your answer, beans. Question number 10. Which day is celebrated as Universal Children Day? Your answer is 20th November. Question number 11. Which country is called the land of the rising the sun? Your answer is Japan. Question number 12. How many chambers does a human heart have? 4 chambers. Question number 13. Which is the deepest oceans on the earth? Your answer is Pacific Ocean. Question number 14. What is the full form of DOB? Your answer is date of birth. Question number 15. Who invented aeroplane? Your answer is 2 brothers, Orville and Wilbur Wright. Question number 16. In which season Earth is closest to the sun? Your answer is in summer season. Question number 17. Who is the inventor of WWW World Wide Web? Your answer is Tim Berners-Lee. Question number 18. Which is the largest living lizards on the earth? Your answer is Komodo dragon. Question number 19. What do pandas eat? Your answer is bamboo. Question number 20. This is the last questions. Who invented the computer? Your answer is Charles Babbage. I hope viewers you will like my video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Also like and share my video with your friends. Thank you. See you in next video. Allah Hafiz.